If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where we are building concept for JEE main and advanced level in ellipse. So today we will see in this lecture the parametric form of ellipse, how we will write the parametric form, and along with that we will see the equation of tangent and normal to an ellipse. Okay, then let's see this. Okay student, the topic is parametric form of an ellipse. So for parametric form we will take help of that auxiliary circle and eccentric angle that we have done in our last article. So the given ellipse is this one, x square by s square plus y square by, the inside one is the ellipse. Suppose you have a point A, so corresponding point of A is this B, which is directly above that A in the auxiliary axis. This is B, and the corresponding angle of B is that theta, which is eccentric angle. Now if you see, because the B length is, what is the auxiliary circle radius is A. So if I take this is A and this is theta, so what is this point? This point will be A cos theta. So the A coordinate will be, this one will be A cos theta. Abscissa will be obviously A cos theta. We can take, if this is A, this is theta, then we can take this is A cos theta. So abscissa is A cos theta. Now if you put abscissa here, you can find y from this ellipse. What will be the value of y here? So if you calculate, you will find it is B sin theta. You can see here also, if you put A cos theta, B sin theta, then it will be sin square plus cos square equal to 1. So I told you that is the parametric form. You take help of any another variable, that is theta here, and you link it in such a way this equation should satisfy. So instead of taking a point now x and y, we can take a point in terms of theta. A cos theta, B sin theta. We can say this point is theta point. In short, that like in parabola we say the point is t, that means it was 80 squared 280. So in ellipse, if I say point is theta, then it means A cos theta comma B sin theta. So this is the auxiliary format. Theta can vary from 0 to 2 pi. So that is the importance of that theta. This theta is nothing but your eccentric angle. Now another good things about the eccentric angles, a point of contact of two parallel tangents. Suppose you have a parallel tangent over here and you have the parallel tangent over here. So the eccentric angle of these parallel tangents, it touches here, it touches here, it touches here. So the corresponding angle is here and its corresponding angle is B here. So you can see theta, and this angle is 180 plus theta. So what is the difference between this eccentric angle and this eccentric angle? 180 degree. So the two parallel tangent, if they have, so their contact points eccentric angle is differ by 90 degree. This is the contact point, and this eccentric angle is, this is the contact point, this eccentric angle is this one. This is the contact point, not exactly this is connected here. This is the contact point. This eccentric angle is this one. From here, starting from 0 you will see. So that is differed by 90 because it is 180, it is 90. You can draw it one more time. Suppose you have a tangent over here. So this is the tangent. So if you draw its auxiliary circle, this is its auxiliary circle. So what it is corresponding angle? This is B. And eccentric angle is this one. This is theta. So if you go by this side also, so the tangent if you draw here, these are parallel tangents. So you see this is the point of contact. So this angle, this is theta, and this angle you see 180 plus theta. So the difference is 180. That is mentioned over there. Now if you see the equation of tangent and equation of normal, we will take reference from our that parabola or circle, whatever. I told you if you know one, then you can apply it anywhere. So parabola, in case of circle, any tangent at the point P, it was SS1 equal to 0. Remember SS1, I will write, because it is x square, so we will write is x1, y square, y1, so that you can feel it there is a square. This is the tangent equation. So if it is given, suppose your point is given x1, a1, and point can be given in parametric form also, A cos theta, B sin theta. If it is given in parametric form, then instead of x1, you will write A cos theta, B sin theta, and A and A square get cancelled. That's why it becomes A. Otherwise it is same as S1 only. So if you put A cos theta, B sin theta, A will get cancelled, it will come. So you remember this one. This one you remember, that is be solving for circle, parabola, ellipse. In every conic it will be solved. It will be same. So you remember this is, so that's why we have created this shortcut, so that you can remember instead of remembering this long formula. Normal. So if you once you know tangent, I told you can easily find normal. So once you know tangent, this is the equation of tangent, you can find this slope. This is the slope of the tangent. So normal slope will be, because this into normal slope should be equal to -1. So this one will be minus of reverse of this one. This into this should be -1. You can see if you take product, it will be -1. So what is the equation of normal? Point is x1, y1, and this is the slope. So this is the equation of normal. Similarly, equation for tangent also you can find y minus this one, in terms of parametric form. Suppose the point is this, what will be the equation of normal? Instead of y1 x1 we have done it in this way. Okay, you can see it. Now once you have done all these things, you can see the slope of tangents also in terms of parametric form. This is the slope of the tangent. So what is in terms of parametric form? Slope of tangent. In terms of parabola it was 1 by t and normal was minus t, and here you can see normal is a tan theta by b, and if you can see this one minus x1 will be your a cos theta, so a would get cancelled, so it will be cos theta by a into it will be b by sin theta. So you can see it is b by a cot theta, so minus b by a cot theta, the slope of tangent in terms of parametric form. So you can remember this one also, or we can do it in any time. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.